Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today we'll be doing a review of my ktuned 3.5 inch cold air intake with velocity stack. The sound of this intake combined with my Invidia Catback N1 Catback exhaust is just insane. Puts a smile on my face every time. My intake is tuned by Viper. Vid always does a great job. Sounds great, performs great, everything you could ask for. Extremely reliable. Vid just got a job at Motec. He's a serious engineer, so I really appreciate it. Shout out to ktuned for making a great kit. I really recommend it for anybody who's debating whether to do an intake on their car for the Civic Si, 8th generation, 9th generation. Go with the ktuned. Go with the velocity stack also, and you'll be happy. Now, if you have any reservation about doing a cold air intake on your Civic Si, really with this ktuned kit, they make it so easy. You really don't have to worry about anything. All you have to do is relocate the battery, which is right down here. Normally the battery would be right here, but ktuned provides a nice kit, nice battery holder. All you have to do is take out the stock intake holder, and the stock battery holder and bracket that holds the battery. And then you can install the ktuned bracket and battery holder. And then all you have to do is replace this coolant hose here, which is also provided from ktuned. You do not have to cut the plastic lining on the inside of the wheel well, like some kits require you to do. So it's extremely easy. It's one of the most rewarding mods I've done to my car so far. Now ktuned also provides different couplers for different throttle bodies. So if you replace your throttle body, you can just get a different coupler, and it makes it really convenient, really easy to change. Now behind the driver's side wheel, you can take off this plastic lining and you'll be able to access the intake.
The intake just clears the fog lights, and it does fit just perfect.
Now what you have to do is you have to make sure that this is up as far as it can go, along with this coupler, and it'll just barely clear.
I really recommend the ktuned cold air intake. It's extremely easy, great performance. You really can't go wrong. So thanks for joining me. See you next time, guys.